Okay, so I have just derived an expressions that shows how this equation came, how the equation here, how it came. So I just derived an expression to show that how it came from the acceleration. When we change pace from initial to final, then within a space of time. So the change in the velocity over the time is what how we got this equation. Now, if we want to derive this other equation, so how are we going to derive this one? So we are going to use these two expressions of a distance to generate that equation. So if this were gotten from acceleration, then this one was gotten from the speed, because speed is distance over time, or distance per unit time. Now, if we walk like we said from initial to final, then what will be the average speed? So the average speed is going to be v plus u all over 2. Yes, that is average speed. That is why I am doing v plus u over 2, the average speed. But distance is speed times time. That is distance. So because I walk from initial to final, so the average speed now multiplied by the time of that pace is what gives us what? The distance. Okay, so that is what I am going to use to generate these expressions. So now, looking at this, I want to make t the subject, because this one equally had a t in it, which is the time. So when I make t the subject here, I am going to have v minus u all over a is equal to what? T, making t the subject here. So that means I can now substitute t equal to this in this expression. So I am now going to have s is equal to v plus u all over 2, then multiply by t. So my t is now going to be this, v minus u all over a. I am now using it for this expression. So I want to expand this. So when I expand this, now v times v is v square, v times u is minus uv, then u times v is plus uv, u times minus this is going to be minus u square, then all over 2 times a is going to be what? 2a. Now this can simply cancel out this. Okay, remember we have equal to what? S here. So when I cross multiply, if I cross multiply now, then this will multiply this, then I have v square minus u square is equal to, cross multiplying this, I have 2as. Then I'll now do v square is equal to, crossing this one across here, becomes u square plus what? 2as. That's how I got these expressions. They are very simple. They are just what we already know. So we are combining what we already know, and then we get what we don't. That's how we got that expression.